Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best inflatable paddle boards in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Aqua Plus Inflatable Stand-Up Paddle Board. This inflatable stand-up paddle board is built to resemble a hard board, thanks to its durable layers of PVC. When inflated, the board weighs 20 pounds and can take up weights up to 350 pounds. It comes as a complete package, consisting of the board and several necessary items such as a paddle, coiled leash, waterproof bag, removable fin, and double action pump. Also, you can choose from a variety of colors and designs. It feels very similar to a hard board. The board is made of high-grade military ultra-light PVC drop stitch fabric. Constructed with an additional PVC layer of board rails, the board is highly strengthened. Deflated, it's only 1 foot in diameter by 38 inch. Inflated size, 11 feet by 33 inches by 6 inches thick. Weight 23 pounds, maximum capacity is up to 350 pounds, stable and great for all skill levels and conditions. 5 mm comfort diamond groove traction for grip. 11 PCS of 316 stainless steel D-rings and bungee on front deck for storage. Board, adjustable aluminum paddle, Voyager ISUP travel backpack, shoulder strap, coiled leash, waterproof bag, removable fin, double action pump. During the first phase of the inflation, use double action, clip closed, Fig. 1. When the pressure arrives to a relatively higher value, use single action, clip open, Fig. 2. Number 2. Our second best pick is Advenor Extra Wide Paddle Board. When buying an inflatable paddle board, it is important to choose one that is durable enough to take on a lot of pressure. This one by Advenor makes a great choice, thanks to the non-slip EVA board made of high-quality material. The board is easy to carry around and comes with detachable bottom fins to improve the overall speed and handling. The board inflates and deflates in minutes and is built to take weights up to 330 pounds. Along with the board, you also get accessories such as an aluminum paddle, a safety leash, a waterproof bag, 3 removable fins, and a repair kit. 3 detachable bottom fins help improve overall speed and handling. Inflatable stand-up paddle board can be used in exploring, touring, fishing, yoga. Also suitable in the ocean, freshwater lakes, and rivers. Number 3. Our third best pick is Cooyes Inflatable Paddle Board. This is 10 feet 6 inches in length, 32 inch in width, and 6 in thickness. 330 pounds weight capacity helps you stand and balance perfectly, suitable for beginners. Superior maneuverability for different users. 3. Triple bottom panel fins help improve overall speed. The triple fin design is better for going straight in flat water and also helps with control during surfing. Designed to target customers who want to enjoy fishing, excursions, snorkeling, leisurely paddling, and even SUP yoga. Made of military-grade DWF epoxy reinforced material. The ultra-light drop stitch PVC structure makes it 35% lighter than similar size SUPs, 19.4 pounds. PVC and top-quality nylon yarn brushed cushions to bring the board higher strength and a lower bending rate. 15 psi safety data is strictly tested before leaving the factory. UV-resistant exterior protective coating and high-pressure laminate structure are also designed for board protection. This inflatable stand-up paddle board comes with a complete package that includes center removable fin, emergency repair kit, 3-piece adjustable lightweight aluminum paddle, premium backpack carrying bag, ankle leash, waterproof phone case, and double-action hand pump with air pressure gauge. It makes Cooyes SUP ready to use when out of the box. We also take into account possible emergencies. Emergency repair kits are included in the accessories package. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is FEATH-R-LITE Inflatable Stand-Up Paddle Board. Fun water paddle boards are the first choice for water sports. Fun water inflatable paddle boards, SUP, are suitable for all skill levels to enjoy themselves, explore, or adventure in water areas. The new ultra-light military-grade double-wall PVC is 35% lighter than similar-size products, 27 pounds, with excellent wear resistance, toughness, and long service life. The inflatable paddleboard's standard size is 11.6 x 33 inch x 6, carrying 350 pounds. Funwater's unique ergonomic handle design allows you to inflate your paddle more easily in a shorter time. The sensitive barometer ensures that you can read the SUP inflation pressure value, 1215 psi, at any time. The multifunctional elastic string can tightly fix any objects placed on the inflatable paddleboard. The multipurpose and ultra-large backpack can help you easily carry the paddle to any of your dream places. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Yaska Inflatable Paddle Board. It is 10.6 x 32 x 6 thick, great for beginner to advanced riders, taller riders, or multiple passengers. The 32-inch width makes for extra stability while the sporty shape of the board still allows for a fast tracking experience. It is purely handmade, multi-level stitch layers construction which is optimized. The paddle board adopts the high-quality EVA and drop stitch construction, which allow the surfboard to withstand a lot of pressure without deforming or bursting. And the EVA has good friction, which will prevent you from sliding. Fit for all kids, adults, beginners. It is designed to operate in rivers, lakes, seas, and various waters, as well as for people with different experience levels. Our inflatable SUP is more stable, portable, and affordable compared to a hardboard. Perfect for paddling / surfing / yoga / touring. Contains everything you need to surf. 1x inflatable stand-up paddle board, 1x3-piece SUP paddle, 1x coil leash, 1x detachable center fin, 1x backpack, 1x hand pump, 1x a repair kit. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.